this video we are going to solve one more problem based on Newton's forward interpolation formula. Okay, so previous question we had to find out the quadratic polynomial. So in this question we need to find the value of f of 2. So f of 2, this basically means y is nothing but a function of x. Okay, this thing you have to remember, y is nothing but a function of x. Basically they're asking for the function like value of x. You have to substitute in the place of x 2. That's it. Okay, so fine, we'll form the first step is to form the table starting with x and y. Okay, the x values are given 0, 5, 10, 15. Y values 14, 379, 1, 4, 4, 4, 3, 5, 8, 4. Okay, now you have to form next one, that is delta y. Okay, delta y, difference between these two. So lower minus upper. So 379 minus 14, that will be 365. This minus this 1065. This minus this 2140. Okay, now you have to form the next table, that is delta square y. So delta square y. So delta square will be nothing but this minus this. So 700. This minus this 1075. Okay, 1075. Now the last one, that will be delta cube y. 1075 minus 700, that will give you 375. Okay, so this is the last. So basically here you need to understand. So x values are given. This is nothing but first term x0, x1, x2, x3, y0, y1, y2, y3. This is nothing but delta y. So this will be delta y0, then delta y1, delta y2. This will be delta square y0, delta square y1, and the last term delta cube y0. So we'll be using in the formulas only the diagonal terms. So we can say we'll be using these all terms. Okay, delta y0, delta square y0, and down. Okay, so next thing you have to substitute all the formulas. Before that you need to find the value of p. So we need to find the value of p. P is nothing but x minus x0 by h. Okay, now x, since the value of x is given, we can directly substitute the value of x. So x will be nothing but, so 2 is there, so minus x0. So x0 value is 0 by h. H we know, so it's basically what? H is nothing but what? The gap between the x terms. So basically the gap between the x term is 5. So we can directly write this as 5. So 2 by 5. Okay, now we need to apply, or we need to substitute these values in form. So basically the formula is y is equal to y0 plus p into delta y0 plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y0 plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 by 3 factorial into delta cube y0. So in this you need to substitute the values. Okay, now this question you can do in two ways. That is, either you can substitute the value of x and all these terms. Okay, directly substitute the value of x. Or one more thing you can do is that without substituting the value of x, first find the quadratic formula or quadratic polynomial, then substitute the value of x at the end. Okay, so I am substituting value of, so y0 is nothing but what? Y0 is 14, first value of y, plus p is 2 by 5, delta y0 is nothing but 365. Okay, p into p minus 1, that is plus 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 2 factorial is 2, delta square y naught is 700 plus p into p minus 1 again 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 minus 1 into 2 by 5 plus 1, sorry, minus 2 by 3 factorial is nothing but 6 into delta cube y naught, that is 375. Okay, so this is the whole thing. And again, no need to go for the next term, that is again for the delta power 4 y naught, because since it is not there, we can consider it as 0. Okay, so till here this formula ends. Now here you need to simplify all these terms, this get cancelled and all cancellation you have to do, and at last what you have to do. So y, we know y is nothing but what? Y is function of x. Okay, so function of x means we need to find the value of x as 2. So we have already substituted the value of 2. So f of 2 will be nothing but this whole thing. So f of 2 will be, so after simplifying you will get it as 100. Okay, so the second method you can apply here is that, I'll show you the second method also. So second method you can apply, we can say p, we found out it as in the first method 2 by 5. Okay, instead of that, no need to substitute the value of 5. This is the second method, we can say no need to find the value of x. Instead of that, you can do x minus what is x naught, 0 by x is nothing but 5, so x by 5, keep it as it is. No need to substitute value of 2. I mean like x value is 2. Okay, then what you have to do, formula you have to apply, y is equal to y naught plus delta p into delta y naught plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 by 3 factorial delta cube y naught. So in this, basically in the value of p, we are going to substitute to x by 5, so you will get a polynomial. Okay, I'll tell you the answer, that is nothing but 1 by 2 x power, okay, x cube plus 13x square plus 56x plus 28. So here we are getting a polynomial. Since we substituted the p value as x by 5, so we will be getting a polynomial. In this, what you have to do, y is a function of x, so it is nothing but f of x. This is nothing but f of x. In the earlier case it was f of 2, since we substituted p value as 2 by 5. Now f of 2, that is nothing but this thing. F of 2 will be, f of x is this one, f of 2 will be just here to substitute in the place of x 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 cube plus 13 into 2 square plus 54 into 2 plus 28. We get the same answer, that is nothing but 100. Okay, so you will be getting the same answer. So these are the two ways you can do. Okay, so this, in this method you need to you're going to find the polynomial first, then substitute in the value of 2. In the previous method, that is earlier we have done that, in that we are substituting the value of x in the p itself, so we are p will be 2 by 5, so getting the direct answer as 100. Okay, no need to again substitute and all. So this is the procedure.